Here some question are given. Question are that 5 divided by a plus 6 divided by b is equal to 7. Find the value of a, b. What is the value of a and b? Condition is that a and b both are integer. Let's start how to solve this question. Solution. First of all, 5 divided by a plus 6 divided by b is equal to 7. We know that a or b LCM AB LCM AB. So AB into 5 divided by a plus 6 divided by b is equal to 7 into AB. After that, AB into 5 divided by a plus AB into 6 divided by b is equal to 7 AB. B cancel, A cancel. 5b plus 6a is equal to 7ab. 7ab. After that, 7ab minus 6a minus 5b is equal to 0. This 7 comes this side. Take common 7a. 7a b minus 6 divided by 7 bracket close minus 5b is equal to 0. After that, 7a b minus 6 divided by 7 minus 5b plus 30 divided by 7 is equal to 30 divided by 7. After that, 7a minus b minus 6 divided by 7 minus 5b minus 6 divided by 7 bracket close is equal to 30 divided by 7. B minus 6 divided by 7 bracket close into 7a minus 5 bracket close is equal to 30 divided by 7. This is divided by 7, both side divided by 7. After that, 7 is divided by both side. 7 into b minus 6 divided by 7 bracket close 7a minus 5 bracket close is equal to 30. Is equal to 30. After that, 7b minus 6 bracket open close फिर bracket open 7a minus 5 is equal to 30. Is equal to 30. What is the factor of 30? Here 6 factor. For here 6 8 factor. First of all, 1 into 30. Second, 30 into 1. Third, 2 into 15. 15 into 2. 3 into 10. 10 into 3. 5 into 6. 6 into 5. This is first case. This is second case. This is third case. This is fourth case. Let's start to solve the 1. Case 1. 7b minus 6 into 7a minus 5 is equal to 1 into 30. Case 1. Second, 7b minus 6 into 7a minus 5 is equal to 30 into 1. 7b minus 6, 7a minus 5 is equal to 1 is equal to 30. This value, b value is equal to 1 and this a value is equal to 5. So a or b value is equal to 1, a value 5 or b value 1. Second, 7b minus 6 is equal to 30. 7a minus 5 is equal to 1. B value is equal to 36 divided by 7. a value is equal to 6 divided by 7. Therefore, no integer solution. Therefore, they will be rejected. They will rejected. Case number second. Case second. 7b minus 6 into 7a minus 5 is equal to 2 into 15. 7b minus 6 into 7a minus 5 is equal to 15 into 2. 7b minus 6 is equal to 2. 7a minus 5 is equal to 15. Here b value is equal to 8 divided by 7. Here a value is equal to 20 divided by 7. Therefore, no integer solution. They will be rejected. This 7b minus 6 is equal to 15. 7a minus 5 is equal to 2. Here b value is equal to 3 and a value is equal to 1. A or b value is a is 1 or 3. Case number third. Case third. 7b minus 6 into 7a minus 5 is equal to 3 into 10. 7b minus 6 into 7a minus 5 is equal to 10 into 3. 7b minus 6 is equal to 3. 7a minus 5 is equal to 10. Here b value is 9 divided by 7. Here a value is equal to 15 divided by 7. No integer solution, so they will be rejected. Here 7b minus 6 is equal to 10. 7a minus 5 is equal to 3. Here b value is equal to 16 divided by 7. Here a value is equal to 8 divided by 7. So no integer solution. They will be rejected. Case 4. 7b minus 6 into 7a minus 5 is equal to 5 into 6. 7b minus 6 into 7a minus 5 is equal to 6 into 5. 7b minus 5 is equal to 5. 7b minus 6 is equal to 5. 7a minus 5 is equal to 6. Here b value is 11 divided by 7. A value is 11 divided by 7. So no integer solution. They will be rejected. 7b minus 6 is equal to 6. 7a minus 5 is equal to 5. Here b value is 12 divided by 7. Here a value is 10 divided by 7. Therefore no integer solution. They will be rejected. Only two value are, first of a or b value is 5, 1. Second value 1, 3. These only two value. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching my video.